This is abacus. This is a calculating tool. Kids, do you know what we call it? All these are beads. And this is answer line. These are upper beads and these are lower beads.
4, 3.
Right. Huh? Abhi 4 minus 2. 2. Huh? Abhi 2 plus 1 plus 1.
5.
अभी थोड़ा सा 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. Answer is
9.
very good. Clear it. What is this?
Banana.
So tell me, where is it banana here? This one banana? This one? Yes. So you have to keep here. Okay?
Today I will tell about watermelon. Watermelon is healthy to us, and from inside it is in the red color. And this is coming in summer color, summer season. Good morning all. My name is Aradhya Virendra Reddy from 4th standard. It is a lion. It is a king of the jungle. And it is a wild animal. Thank you.